Okay, welcome to another vlog, everyone. So, the plan for today is kayak fishing with Brent and James. We're gonna head over to my dad's, put the kayaks in the water. We've got a pretty great day today. Some light winds, but they're southwesterlies, so for fishing off Eastern Beach, we'll be fine. It won't be windy, so yeah. I'm gonna get set up, grab some burley, or we're going over a bump. Oh, you're fine. And yeah, we'll see if we catch anything, but if not, I bet we'll probably have some fun. So we'll see you when everything is ready to go. Okay, so we are at Burnsco, about to get some burley. Okay, Brent and James are here and we're ready to go. Now for the hard part.
Oh, give me one of those fucking things here.
Okay, the kayaks are down. We need to go all the way down there. Oh. Just let it go down. Yeah, I'm good, man. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's still coming off. Oh wait, it's gonna go all the way. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Let's just redirect this down there. There we go. Kayaks are here, and then just one more set of steps. Oh, and we're there, and we're there. And here we are. Beautiful. You good, man? Here we go. Okay, and we're off. Let's go to the pole. Yep, quite a bit of a paddle. Okay, I have pretty much made it to the pole. Home's all the way over there. Boys, I don't know what they're doing over there, but hey, we've made it to the pole. No, we've made it, and we're tied onto each other. Let's go. And there's birds around, and there's a jet ski, so we're gonna catch fish. So, got the burley running. We've got a couple of bites. We're tied onto each other, and we'll update you if we get a fish. Oh, and I got a baby snapper! Yeah! Brent's on the fish! Keep it on there, Brent! Let's go! Let's go, Brent! Nice! I was just getting a go again. I don't know if it's on there or not. Oh my! Look how small it is! Oh my gosh, that is the smallest fish. Oh, I've hooked him in the eye. Wow. That is a tiny snapper. Wow. Let me get him off here. Okay, I've been getting bites as I'm dropping down, so let's drop down and see what happens. Still going, okay, at the bottom. And there's a fish already on there. Yep, and we're on. Another one. Another baby. Wow. That is another one of the smallest snapper I've ever seen. Wow. Okay. Go. Okay, well, there you go. So James hasn't caught a fish, but Brent's caught some, I've caught some. And I'm getting bites straight away here. I'm on! Small, tiny one, but he's trying to run. Oh my gosh! Hey! He's not bad! Let me just... No, we won't. Compared to the ones we've been getting, those ones, all the other ones have been so trash. But yeah. I've dropped him in the kayak and he thinks he's back home, but he's not. Go boy. Just had a big bite. Let's see if it happens again. Oh, Brent's on! Yeah! Look at James! Oh, not bad! Oh no. Nice! There we go, another one. I'm on a fish. Oh, it's... Oh, hey! What the? Wait, let me have a... Oh no! Oh no, it's gone. Dang it. Oops. Brent's on again! Yeah, boy! Nice! James, let's go! James is on! Let's go! Woo! Wait! That might be big enough! Wait, bring him over here! Bring him over here! Oh, wait! Oh my god! Let's see him! Let's go, James!
One fish, I told her, the one fish that we catch, that I catch, that will be the heater.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Let's go, James! Show us one more time. Nice. Okay, okay.
Wait.
I'm on again. Way! Oh, and he's gone. All good. Nice little release. Just dropped down again. This line is about to freaking snap. I'm on again, by the way. Where's he going? Where's he going? Come here, come here. Oh gosh. Go. Off you go. Go home, boy. Nice. Okay, Brent is on again. It looks like a decent one. Yeah, nice. Okay, the boys have said that Brent's one's probably big enough to keep. That's always good. And now let me just get a keeper then. Another good fish. Good job, Brent. Another keeper. Okay, just caught this bad boy. I'm actually not sure what it is. It's so slimy. Ow, hooked in the finger. But yeah, let's go. It feels decent. Oh no, it's just running. Oh, far out. Way! Come here, mate. No! Oh. It was a keeper! No! Bro, there's no way I fumbled that right there. Wow, how stupid am I? Dang it. I'm on again. Doesn't feel like a big one. He just wants to run a little bit. Yeah, nah. Nice little... Hey, Brent's on again.
What the fuck is that?
Getting bites as well. Nice job! Time to go home, eh? Oh goodness. Well, good little mission. Nice, man.
Good
James.
job, guys. Team effort, guys.
Yes. Okay, we are back. We're off back home. Yeah. Let's hope the current brings us in. Okay, the boys are all the way over there. They've gone a bit of the wrong way, but we are nearly home. After a great mission, a great day, it's still phenomenal weather. Celebratory swim. I bet you want that.
What?
What the?
Oh.
Yo, wow. Kayaks are back. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Hello, I am Jimmy. This is Wota.
Wait, what? Oh, ew, bro.
That's a white, bro.
Ew.
What the fuck is it white?
That's from your nose. So, how big were the fish?
Huh?
How big were the fish?
31.
Brent?
30.
Yep. So they were both legal size. I didn't film any of it, but we filleted them up, cooked them, and yeah.
What's the video there about?
Yeah, I know, but I forgot, and I'm burnt as hell. Anyway, here we go. Successful mission.